Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Marco Polo back at y'all with another video, and today we got craziest car crash compilation. This is in terms of America, Canada, UK plus more. So if you're a driver and you know how crazy it can get on the road sometimes, you know what I'm saying, especially if you come from very populated cities such as California, such as Florida, such as New York. I'm from New York myself, so I see crazy car accidents all the time. But one thing I never really get to see is how the car accidents happen. I usually see the aftermath of the car accidents, you know, when I'm driving back from work, on my way from work. I always see a car flipped over in the right lane and another car that's just on its side, and I'm like, how in the hell did this happen to these cars? But today I get to have sort of an idea of how these cars get into these crazy car accidents. So if you end up liking the video, just drop a like on the video, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into the reaction.
80, a little more, 85, 84.
Okay, a little laughter.
Oh, they're turned. They haven't.
Everything is nice and sweet right now.
They didn't. Oh. I honked. They put it on?
Yes.
Oh!
God! Holy.
Okay.
West Congress.
That's just a stupid driver thinking his car is fast enough to make that turn. Damn! Damn!
Wow.
Damn! Damn! Flipped him over. See, now I see how it happens. Now I see it. Just stupid drivers. Oh my god. How the hell did that happen? Damn. I hope everybody's okay. I hope nobody loses their life in these accidents. Okay, his car's already messed up, so you could already tell he can't drive. What the fuck is that? Stupid, bro.
Oh my god.
Stupid. Okay, stop signing. He clearly didn't stop. Okay, so I guess nothing happens with him. What are you doing? What are you doing? What in the world are you thinking, bro? Bro, look at this idiot. Why? First of all, anybody, if you're a new driver out there and you're watching this video, if you're an old driver, if you bro, I don't care. If you're a driver in general, listen to the words I'm saying. When you see this stop sign right here, this little thing with the 6 sides, they call that a hexagon, by the way. And it says stop. And underneath right here, you see this little sign that says all way. That means at all 4 intersections, your intersection, the person to your left's intersection, the person to your right's intersection, and the person across from you intersection, everybody has to stop. Please, guys, pay more attention to stop signs. They are our best friends. They love us and we should love them back. Idiot, bro. Like I said, I hope nobody losing their life in these videos. Shit. Okay. No. Oh my god. Oh my god. Stupid. He was probably on his phone or some stupid shit. Yo! What the hell? Yo, what do some people be thinking? Like, what do be going through people's brains when they drive? Okay, we got a Kia Stinger. That's a good car. No. No way. What the fuck? What was that? That's honestly one of my biggest fears while driving. For me to just normally be driving and not even doing anything crazy, and somebody else just do like some stupid shit like that. It's like now I gotta go through all of this having to fix my car, even if I don't pay a single dime for it, even if the insurance pays every single dime. I don't want to have to go through the process of that. You understand what I'm saying? Like, people got lives to live, people got work to go to, people got school to go to, people got all these things in their life that they got to do from day to day. So for me to have to worry about getting my car fixed now because you don't know what the hell you're doing is like, okay, we got a bike. I see a eye. What is that in front of him? Oh, I was about to say eye. That's not an eye. This bike just looking at everybody. Whoa, 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 whoa. What the hell? What are you doing? Like, huh? I don't want to say some people deserve it, but some people deserve it. Okay, it's raining outside. Never a good sign. The fuck? Stupid. Yo, he's stupid. He's stupid.
Wow.
No, is the cop gonna hit him? There was no car crash in that video. I guess they wanted to just show the cop. Oh, damn. Oh, shit. That one gotta hurt. Damn.
Oh shit, 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 oh shit.
What the fuck is going on? Yo. What the fuck? Yo, he's literally just chilling on top of the other cars. Bro, what?
Fascinated and wanting to learn more about the games on the Switch. This big man may get in there, get himself out, kind of
Oh. Damn, it folded his car. But like, what are you thinking? Like, why did you just drive into the back of him like that? Like, you see what I'm saying? Some people just lack common sense.
Whoa, whoa,
The fuck is he thinking? Why did he just cut him off like that?
With greater challenges, their commitment grows stronger. That's the power of you. Learn more at you.
Yo, some people need their license revoked like ASAP. Okay. Oh, not the little mini smart car.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
What the hell?
Eventually make
What the hell? Nah, that's crazy.
1,000 to account for illness or unforeseen happenings.
What?
That's the most we can produce per day. That might give us.
And he left.
like 10.
He left.
Most we can produce to account for illness.
Wait, who did he
or
hit?
unforeseen
Oh, he hit the white car. I thought he hit the red
That's the
car.
most we can produce per day.
Shit, as the red car, I'm leaving too. I'm leaving too, bro. If this don't got nothing to do with me and my car is completely fine, see ya. Oh no. Oh my. He tried to run too. He tried to run away from it. It looked like the truck was trying to hit him though, like, cause he's going straight. If the truck just turns the opposite way, like as the red car, this Honda CRV, right? As he's going this way and the truck is coming this way, instead of swerving this way and hitting him, the truck should have went this way while he's going this way, and he could have tried to avoid that. You know what I'm saying? But look, the truck swerves into him, like swerves, like, you know. He's still an idiot. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying he's right or any, like, he's still stupid as fuck. But this could have been avoided if the truck would have just went the other way. But he's still a fucking idiot. Like, what? Like, you think you in a Hellcat 3000 or something, bro? Like, you in a Honda CRV, bro. I think some people be thinking they in the latest. They think they in the latest Hellcat or some shit.
Honey?
What?
Damn!
What are you doing? Are you sleeping? Some people be sleeping. He's still eating. Idiot, bro. He don't even care. Could have been avoided. There's nobody on the opposite side of the road. Like I said, still idiots. This guy is still an idiot. You know, I've seen a lot of drivers like this in my days of driving, but this could have been avoided, right? If you see nobody in that opposite lane, you know there's no cars coming this way, the next car is all the way down here. He not getting there anytime soon. You're already behind this minivan. Bro, swerve, bro, take that. You know what I'm saying? Just, you don't even gotta swerve. You don't even gotta, like, throw the wheel. You just, you know, light and then come back. You know what I'm saying? He's still stupid, but this could have been avoided. No. No, you idiot. Oh. Oh. Love tapped him. Yeah, he love tapped him. Oh, shit. Holy shit. God damn.
Czekaj, Hubert,
Look at all the parts in the road. The car parts. Okay. Wait, what? Wait, hold on. How was that even there? Like, who put that there?
No, I do. I'm sorry.
What is it about him?
No.
Right.
No.
Did you go on a holiday?
No,
or?
you idiots.
I've never been.
And he's still
on a place.
doing it,
Have you
bro.
ever been on holiday?
He's still, like, he didn't even recognize his mistake. Or he probably just blatantly didn't
How old
care.
are you?
28.
That's amazing.
No, you dummy. Like, what? Oh. Wow. I don't know whose fault that was. That could be construction's fault. Damn. Right into the back of him. Wait, what happened? He hit him? I didn't see nothing. Let me watch that again. Oh yeah, he hit the truck. That's not bad though. We'll watch another one for another video. You know what I'm saying? So if you really want to see me react to more car crash videos, make sure you look out for that video. But like I always say, thank y'all for watching. Drop a like on the video and hit that subscribe button. I will see y'all in the next reaction video.